Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Antix token. Now the Antix token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. They're in stage 4 of their pre-sale right now. You can find their webpage at token.antix.in. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a Git book that's going to have all the info, which is basically like a document section or white paper that you could find at antix.gitbook.io. You can find this token listed on CoinSniper. They have a Telegram you could follow at Antix in chat that has over 2,000 members, almost 250 online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion with other community members. And then if you go to their webpage, token.antix.in, that's where you can get involved with the pre-sale. So it has a countdown. They're in stage 4, so there's 19 days until stage 5. And basically how these pre-sales work is like basically the earlier you get in, the cheaper it's going to be. And then the token listing price, when that happens, everything before that was basically a discount. So right now, stage 4, says they've sold 2,496,847 tokens so far. And actually, I don't know if that's USD. It could be almost $2.5 million because it says tokens sold, but then it says brackets USD, which is kind of confusing because is it tokens or is it USD? I don't know. But it says current price is 6 cents per token. So basically, it says connect wallet to buy. You can get the token with BNB, USDT, USDC, ETH. You could also use Visa or MasterCard, or there's 4 other coins that you could use as well. But basically, let's say you download a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could use either one of those wallets. You would fund that wallet with, say, ETH or BNB. You would then punch in, after you connect your wallet, punch in how much, say, ETH you want to spend or how much BNB you want to spend. It'll tell you how many tokens you get for that amount. You would then click purchase, and then after when the pre-sale is over, you can claim your tokens. It is that easy. So what is this project all about, though? It says here, welcome to the era of digital transformation, where the internet and social networks have seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, reshaping how we interact, work, and entertain ourselves. Antix aims to revolutionize digital interactions by bridging brands, content creators, and Web3 projects into a cohesive ecosystem. So it says, join us as we embark on a journey to enhance digital experiences and unlock new possibilities in the digital realm. Now, as usual, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project here. So their key issues they're trying to solve between influencers, companies, users. It says interactions in the digital space has far exceeded the boundaries of direct dialogue between ordinary users. New participants, such as influencers and companies, are actively joining the digital dialogue. Each party involved in digital interactions faces unique challenges. The implementation of digital humans in various aspects of digital interaction will address challenges faced by users, companies, and influencers, creating personalized interaction with the efficiency of content creation. And the Antix platform, it says Antix, an AI-powered software as a service platform, was created in response to these challenges faced by various parties in the digital interaction space by providing extensive functionality to create hyper-realistic and intelligent digital human avatars with integrated GP4 support. Antix simplifies digital interaction and connects brands, content creators, and Web3 projects into a single ecosystem. So their platform objectives for the users, it says opportunities for high detail and digital profiles. The Antix platform provides users with extensive options for customizing and detailing their virtual avatars. A multitude of customization parameters, including voice, appearance, style, and emotions, allow for a creation of a unique digital human whose look and behavior are limited only by the user's imagination. And this contributes to a more personalized and satisfying experience in the digital environment. Also, finding like-minded individuals in a broad community. Immerse yourself in a world of creative and vibrant people brought together by the Antix platform. Antix offers unique opportunities for communication and collaboration, allowing you to find like-minded individuals who share your interests and hobbies. And for companies, increasing brand awareness online. Digital humans can become the face of a brand in the online space, representing the company across various platforms and social media. Creating unique products, so series, films, etc. Unlike real actors, digital actors do not require salaries, working conditions, or breaks, and this is why they had that strike because of this right here, but, whatever. Also enhancing accessibility and quality of customer support. So digital humans can process requests in real time without delays or breaks, improving response times and reducing the workload of human staff. Unlike standard chatbots, digital humans possess a more advanced ability to understand and emotionally react, making interactions with customers more personalized. And for influencers, they have reduction in equipment costs, increased content production speed, simplified content adaptation process, and maintaining anonymity. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You could find a KYC on coinsniper.net. But basically, in a nutshell, Antix is a global innovator in the metaverse, offering unique products and a strong commitment to excellence in innovation. Their creative technological expertise can strengthen your brand and help test business hypotheses quickly through expertly created game or video content. Antix aims to maximize audience engagement to help achieve marketing goals. How the token is split up, basically, it goes 26% goes to pre-sale, 24% to the ecosystem, 16% to community, 12% to team, 8% to others, 8% liquidity, 6% advisors. And it says the pre-sale started December 26th and ends January 31st. So go check this project out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.